There is absolutely no order in doing Dr. Joe meditations. For me, it's a very intuitive process. Like, I do whatever I feel like doing on that day. So there was a period where I was doing generating gratitude every single day for about 30 days. And then I started mixing other stuff in, like he has generating joy that I love, generating inspiration that I absolutely love, especially if you're a content creator or an online business owner and you feel stuck. I definitely recommend generating inspiration because it allowed me to get like ideas for, like master classes and courses and stuff like that. Um, but my favorite is still generating gratitude. Right now, I'm not doing his meditations every day, but when I do his meditations, I'm doing the generating abundance one. The whole audio is like an hour, but somebody on TikTok actually was the one who commented on one of my videos and, said that the meditation itself is only like 20 something minutes and the rest is just frequency music. So I gave it a go and I love it. That's the only meditation that I'm doing right now, but I do want to try his changing boxes meditation, which I also just recently bought. I think that one's long, but let me know if anyone's done his changing boxes. Is it changing boxes or changing beliefs and perceptions? I think I bought both of them and I bought it on his website. I wish I had an affiliate link because at this point I feel like he should pay me to like talk about his meditation, so I talk about it so much for free. I'm kidding because I love him and I always talk about him. But Dr. Joe team, if you're watching this, email me. But yeah, to answer this question, I do not have a certain order. I just do what I feel like doing. And just also to remind you guys that there's no wrong way to this, like manifesting is very fluid, it's very flowy, it's very intuitive. Trust me, you're not doing anything wrong. You're always at the right place at the right time. And like it doesn't matter what you do as long as you just do it consistently. Like all the techniques, what makes them special is you. So it's not the techniques itself. So that's why like I'm not hard on myself to do the meditations every day because I switch it up with like tapping and his meditation. So be easy on yourself and just enjoy this process of manifesting. I hope that helped.